Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install HyperOS call dialer on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search HyperOS updates. Now from here, just open this website. Now once you have done that, just search HyperOS contacts. Now from here, just tap on HyperOS contacts. Now from here, scroll down and tap on download. Now from here, scroll down and tap on generate download link. Now just wait 5 to 6 seconds. Now from here, just tap on download anyway. Now from here, tap on details. Now it will take a few seconds for the contacts app to download. Now from here, just tap on contacts. Now from here, tap on update. Now from here, just tap on open. Now as you can see, this is how you can install HyperOS call dialer on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.